Your windows are an essential part of your home's structure, contributing to its overall energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. In Mandeville, where the weather can range from humid summers to cooler winters, maintaining your windows is crucial for ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. Proper window maintenance not only preserves the visual appeal of your home but also extends the life of your windows, helping you avoid costly replacements. In this article, we'll discuss practical tips and strategies to help you maintain your windows in Mandeville, so they can continue to perform efficiently and last for years to come. Regular cleaning to prevent dirt and grime buildup. One of the easiest and most important maintenance tasks for your windows is regular cleaning. Dirt, dust, and environmental pollutants can accumulate on your window frames and glass, diminishing their appearance and, over time, damaging the materials. Clean glass surfaces. Use a soft cloth or microfiber towel with a mild window cleaner to wipe down the glass. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could scratch or damage the glass. Clean your windows at least twice a year or more frequently if you live in a particularly dusty or high-traffic area. Frame cleaning. Don't forget to clean the window frames, tracks, and sills. These areas can collect dirt and moisture, which could lead to mold growth or rusting if not cleaned regularly. Use a vacuum or a damp cloth to remove debris and wipe down the frames with soapy water. Avoid water spots. If you live in an area with hard water, you may notice spots or streaks on the glass. Use a squeegee to clean your windows and wipe them dry with a clean, dry cloth to prevent these spots from forming. Inspect seals and caulking regularly. The seals around your windows are one of the most important components for maintaining energy efficiency. Over time, the caulking around the window frame may crack or peel, allowing air and moisture to enter your home, which can lead to energy loss and damage. Check for cracks or gaps. Inspect the weather stripping and caulking around your windows at least once a year. If you notice any gaps or cracks, replace or reapply the caulk to ensure a tight seal. Gaps can allow drafts to enter and compromise your home's insulation. Replace damaged seals. If the weather stripping or seals appear worn, it's time to replace them. This is especially important for windows that are exposed to the elements, like those in bathrooms or kitchens, where humidity can wear down the seals more quickly. Lubricate moving parts. Many modern windows feature moving components like locks, cranks, or sliders. To keep these components working smoothly, it's important to lubricate them regularly. Doing so will prevent rusting, sticking, or breaking, ensuring that your windows operate efficiently. Lubricate window tracks. For sliding windows or patio doors, regularly apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks to ensure smooth operation. Dirt and debris can accumulate in the tracks, causing the window to jam or become difficult to open. Clean the tracks first, then apply the lubricant for optimal movement. Check window locks. Whether your windows feature traditional locks or more modern multi-point locking systems, be sure to lubricate the locking mechanisms to ensure they operate smoothly and securely. Sticking locks can compromise the security of your home and become more difficult to repair over time. Inspect for damage from moisture and weather. In Mandeville, the combination of humidity and frequent rainfall can put extra stress on your windows. Moisture can lead to issues like mold, mildew, or rot on wooden frames, while metal frames may rust or corrode. Regularly inspecting your windows for signs of moisture damage is essential for keeping them in good condition. Check for signs of rot or mold. Wooden window frames are particularly susceptible to rot and mold. Look for any signs of discoloration, soft spots, or mildew on the frames. If you spot these issues, take action immediately to prevent further damage. Use a wood cleaner and sealant to treat affected areas. Inspect for rust on metal frames. If your windows have metal frames, inspect them for signs of rust or corrosion, especially at joints and seams. A rust spot can gradually spread and weaken the frame. If you notice rust, clean it off with a rust remover and consider applying a rust-resistant coating to prevent further damage. Regular window inspections for functionality. Windows should open and close smoothly and be free of cracks or defects in the glass. Regular inspections will help you catch any potential issues early, so you can repair them before they become major problems. Check for cracks or chips in the glass. Inspect the glass for any visible cracks or chips. Even small cracks can allow moisture or air to seep in, affecting your home's insulation and potentially leading to a larger break. If you find any damage, repair or replace the glass as soon as possible. Test window operation. Regularly open and close your windows to ensure they function correctly. Sticky windows or those that don't lock properly should be repaired promptly to maintain security and function. If your windows don't open easily, the frame may have become misaligned, or the hardware may need adjustment. Maintain window screens. Window screens are essential for keeping bugs out while allowing fresh air into your home. Regular maintenance of window screens ensures they remain effective and clean. Clean screens. Remove the screens and clean them with a gentle scrub using soapy water to remove dust and grime. If the screen is damaged, replace it to keep your home free from pests. Inspect for tears. Check screens for any holes or tears that could allow insects into your home. Repair small tears with screen repair tape or replace the screen if the damage is too significant. Conclusion. Maintaining your windows in Mandeville is an essential step in ensuring they last for years and continue to provide the comfort, energy efficiency, and beauty your home deserves. By regularly cleaning your windows, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, and checking for signs of damage from moisture or weather, you can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly repairs or replacements. With just a little effort and attention, your windows can remain in excellent condition, keeping your home secure, comfortable, and energy efficient for the long term.